Ito na ang tapatang walang atrasan. The Clones, Ka-Boys of the Stars, semifinal.
At kasama natin sa kantahan ang Bingo Plus. Sa Bingo Plus, Bingo sa saya, plus sa panalo.
Uy, kanta na. Open na. Oh.
It's all because you're my sunshine after the rain. You're the cure against my fear and my pain. 'Cause I'm losing my mind when you're not around. It's all because you're my sunshine after the rain. You're the cure against my fear and my pain. 'Cause I'm losing my mind when you're not around. It's all because of you.
Galing, 99 degrees.
Sobra.
Sobra ba?
98. Sobra, boss.
Okay, sorry.
Pero Dapper Cats, 98 degrees. Abangan nyo yan sa Sabado.
Sa Sabado
Live
yan.
On Eat Bulaga. Pero bago po ang 98 degrees, ito na.
Ito
Ian,
mo na ang
ready ka
37 degrees. May lag natin.
Kilalanin natin ang mga bisita nating clones for today.
Ito na ang ating unang clone.
Hoy, sino yan? Sino yan? Oh, baba.
Ever fleeting in my mind. For a moment I treasure as your butterfly. For a moment you are mine. Our love is a daydream, and I lose my days still. Darling, I close my eyes and I wonder if I need a glimpse with you, daydreaming of you, daydreaming of you. I do remember all the summer days where the sweet like lemonade. When I miss you, close my eyes and I drift away. All your pictures never fade. Our love is a daydream, and I lose my days still. Darling, I close my eyes and I wonder if I need a glimpse with you, daydreaming of you.
Thank you very much, Edriel Lim Baroga ng Bacoor, Cavite.
Elliot James Ray, ayan.
Si Elliot pala yun.
Si Elliot ay isang English singer-songwriter.
Nakakatuwa naman.
17 years old pala. Ito si Adriel.
Parang trip mo yung mga makalumang sound, no? Pero bago tong si Elliot, eh.
Bago po siya.
Kamusta ka nung nanalo ka dito? Anong mga eksena ng mga kapitbahay mo?
Maingay.
Pinagkaguluhan
Okay
ka?
na ba? Hindi naman po.
O di sige, hindi.
Alam niyo ba yun? Alam niyo ba yun si Saint Elliot?
Saint Elliot.
Yan ang
Medyo.
santo na tinatawagan mo pag may problema ka sa tiyan.
Oh, Saint Elliot.
Oh. Basahin mo ng baliktad.
Toilet na naman. Okay. Sige.
Baka yung mga audience natin, may mga masama ang tiyan.
May
Hindi, baka may request.
request.
Baka
May request.
May request.
Yan.
Go, Ian.
Oh, siyempre, dadaan.
Excuse me,
Oo.
girls. Hi, Arby.
Lo.
Oh,
Yes, who's this? How are you, RV?
Mabuti naman.
Do you know Elliot?
Yes, opo.
Congratulations, RV. Bye!
Have you been
Ito pala.
St. Elliot.
Hello, Dabarkan! Seyo! Ang saya-saya niyo naman lahat. Nalilito ko. Kamusta kayo? Hi, Mami. Tayo po tayo. Anong pangalan ni Mami? Mami Lorna. Nakakaawit po ba kayo, Mami Lorna?
Kuminsan.
Hindi nga.
Uy.
Subukan natin kung minsan. Subukan natin kanta po kayo, okay lang?
Si
Ano pong song?
Close to you.
Close to you.
Ay.
Why do birds... Yun po ba yun? Okay, sige po, Mami, go.
Why do birds fly every time you are near? Just like me, they long to be close to you. Why do stars fall down from the sky every time you go by? Just like me, they long to be close to you.
Thank you, Mami. Parang ang bait-bait nyo. Parang di kayo marunong magalit. Ganun po yung itsura nyo, Mami.
Ganun ba yun?
Opo. Pwede naman 2,000, Mami. Uy, tarot lang. Mami, meron ba kayong song ni Elliot na alam? Kung wala, okay lang po. Sige ha, salamat po sa inyo ha. Sino may request? Ay, eto na lang mga... Ay, dito tayo. Ate, tayo tayong lahat. Tapos, ate, alas ka dyan. Usok lang sabi.
Uy, ano ba?
Kasi syempre para sa gitna ako, mahirap kayo nasa gilid, di ba?
okay.
Hello, ate. Hello, hi, ate. Kamusta ka?
Talagang isinipuera.
Okay lang naman po.
Anong pangalan mo?
Ako po si Jerwin.
Jerwin. Taga saan ka, Jerwin?
From FEY School Manila!
Ayan, din. Ikaw, anong pangalan mo?
Ay, Maggie po.
Okay na yun. O tapos, charot lang, ate. May song ba kayo ni James Elliot na gustong marinig? Ikaw may gusto ka? I'm sure meron din naman siya. Ikaw, ano gusto mo?
Ano po, ang gusto ko pong song is I Think They Call This Love.
Oh, Ryan pa.
I think they called this love. Kaya ba, Brad?
Kaya po.
Adriel?
Yes po.
All right. I think they called it love. Adriel Lim Baroga ng Cavite.
They say you know and you know silence easy. You had me at hello. Hesitation never ends. How could this be anything else? When all I dream of is your eyes, all I long for is sometimes, and darling, something tells me that's enough. You can say that I'm a fool, and I don't know very much, but I think they call this love. What could this be between you and me? All I dream of is your eyes. All I long for is sometimes, and darling, something tells me it's enough. You can say that I'm a fool, and I don't know very much, but I think they call, oh, I think they call, yes, I think they call
Adriel Lim. Baroga. Ian, ano? Natripan ba?
Sobra rin, nagustuhan nila lahat. Mga ano pala sila, high school student ng FEU.
Oh, ito yung guru nila nandito kasama natin sa stage.
Yung principal nila.
Yung principal, si Ma'am Raisa.
ano pala kung gusto mong kuning course pagdating mo ng college?
Ako po, tourism po.
Tourism. Gusto niya tournament pagdating ng araw. Charot lang. Salamat sa inyo. Thank you.
Thank you sa request. Oh, Adriel Lim, Baroga, maraming salamat.
Thank you din,
Thank you
Angel.
po.
Thank you very much, buddy.
Ay, next naman. Ito pa ang isang clone na magpapakita ng galing.
Here we go!
Sino yan?
I got a home down the river. I'm married to the woman of my dreams. Got a good truck that gets me down the highway. Everything is perfect, so it seems. Mama and daddy come by sometime, and everything is fine. My old dog does a little singing late at night when the moon gets bright. Sunday morning, hear the church bells ringing. Let us go and see who's getting baptized. We gon' take us a Sunday drive, and everything is fine. Everything is fine, fine, fine. Through the sunshine and the rain, I got a peace of mind. You know I can't complain. I'll make it a point to thank the Lord when I got Him on the line. I'm feeling good and everything is fine. I'll make it a point to thank the Lord when I got Him on the line. I'm feeling good and everything is fine. I'm feeling good and everything is fine.
Josh.
Josh Turner ng Quezon City, si Rami Miraflor Jr.
Naalala ko may iba ka pang ginayang boses noon. Tama ba ang kami? Ako.
Yes po.
Sino pa yung ginaya mo? Naalala ko lang ha.
Yung ano po is si Bruno Mars po yung una.
Yung una.
Oo, yun nga. Parang sabi ko madaming nagagawa.
Ano pa may iba pa ba
Si Jaya.
Ano po? Arthur Neri po kumakanta ng
So una Bruno Mars, pangalawa Arthur Neri.
Nag-Arthur Neri ka ba noon? Hindi.
Hindi po.
Try mo naman yung Arthur Neri ngayon.
Sige po.
Sige. Sige lang. Okay na yun. Pwede
Wala
naman
pa.
Wala pa.
Pwesto pa lang.
Bumibuelo eh. Galing nga.
Wala pa.
Hindi ko na natilikan ang binhi ng iyong pagmamahal. Ayoko nang sa pilipan ipuhos ang lahat ng dinadamdam. Ang tangi kong hiling ay mawa ka ng iyong mga kamay at dalirihan. Banda-handa ang haplusin ng mga salita. Puso mong sabik mayakap ang nag-iisa. Kaya tahan na, sumandal ka, hayahan mo na aking paglaruan. Apoy ng iyong labi ang paraluman.
Simula sa...
Mabababa. Hanggang pataas eh.
Ganun ha.
Ka-voice mo ha.
Thank you
Pag
po.
nagkaroon ng season 2 ha, sumali ka ulit.
Sige po.
Pero talagang ganyan kalalim yung boses mo? Yung boses mo, ganyan, yung speaking voice mo, ganyan kalalim? O minomodulate mo yun?
Ganito po talaga yung speaking voice.
Tapos ganyan din kapunga yung mata mo talaga?
Ano ba? Siyempre. 17 years old.
17
si,
years old.
Rami.
O baka may
Ayan.
request sila, Ian.
Meron!
Oops.
Op.
Wala, lumalapit kay ano,
Wow!
Arbany.
Saan ka pupunta mamaya? Ikaw muna tatanungin ko. Saan ka pupunta mamaya, Arbony?
Uuwi.
Okay, take care.
Mamaya.
Dabber Cats! Hello po! O, sino gustong mag-request muna? Request. Sino gusto? O, sabi niyo ako. Ito. Hi, Alex. Mawalang galang na po. Yan. Hello po. Ano pong pangalan nila?
Jean Salingay po.
Anong hula mo, Diyos? Ano pong...
Tapos na yun.
Taga saan?
Bacoor, Cavite.
Bacoor, Cavite. Okay. Ano pong song ni Josh Turner ang gusto niyo pong marinig or request?
Long Black Trend po.
Long Black Train.
Long Black Train. Kaya ba yun, bro?
Yes, kaya po.
Long Black Train ni Rami Rapro Jr.
There's a long black train coming down the line, feeding all the souls that are lost in crime. Rails of sin, only evil remains. And watch out, brother, for that long black train. Look to the heavens, you can look to the sky. You can find redemption staring back into your eyes. There is protection and there's peace the same. Burning your ticket for that long black train. 'Cause there's victory in the Lord, I'll say. Victory in the Lord. Cling to the Father and His holy name, and don't go riding on that long black train. And watch out, brother, for that long black train. The devils are driving that long black train.
Woo! Thank you very much, Rami Rapro. Ano, Ian? Natripan ba?
Anong masasabi mo, ate?
Sobrang ganda ng boses.
Oh, kinikilig ka. Ikaw talaga sumusobra kasi ka naman ganyan dati. Salamat, ate. Thank
Sabihin
you.
mo nga, Adriel, nye.
May request si Boss Joey tsaka yung mga singing queens. Yung sikat ni Josh Turner daw, baka pwede. Yung
Baby Love.
Kaya din ni Ian yun eh.
kaya po ba ni Ian yun, boss?
Kala nyo.
Oh, Ian, ikaw
Hindi
naman pala
kaya
may
ni
kaya eh.
Oo, kaya ko
Parinig
yan.
naman yun,
Oh.
yung Baby Lock Your, yung gano'n.
Ano nga yun, kuya?
Baby, lock them door.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Ano daw?
Parang walang lumabas. Sumobra baba.
Nagulat ako, bossing.
Oh,
Ay, naku.
pakinggan natin siya, no?
Ikaw.
Adrian, Rami?
Okay.
Baby, lock the door and turn the lights down. Put some music on that's soft and slow. Baby, we ain't got no place to go. I hope you understand.
Yung pala yun.
Uy, si number one natin, si
Adriel.
Adriel, meron din siyang kayang gayahin na iba pa.
Oh,
halika
bago
dito,
silang
Adrian.
mag-showdown.
Oo, kaya niyang gayahin yung nanay niya.
Uy. Malalim din ang boses.
Sino pang iba mong kayang gayahin na voice?
Ano po, kaya ko po kumanta ng pambabae.
Ay, pambabae.
Kumanta
Sino
ng
po?
pambabae.
Celine Dion po.
Celine Dion, boss.
Hala.
Boss Joey Ryan Pao.
Hala. Celine Dion.
Parinig nga.
Anong
Sige.
Celine Dion yan? Anong Celine Dion na kanta?
I Surrender po.
I surrender.
I surrender. Oo, okay.
Surrender.
Alright. Pedro, okay ba yun? I surrender? Okay, kaya daw. Go, Adriel.
There's so much life I've lived to live, and this fire's burning still. When I watch you look at me, I think I could find a way to stand for every dream and forsake the solid ground and give up this fear within. What would happen if they ever knew how in love with you? 'Cause I surrender everything to feel the chance to live again. I reach to you. I know you can feel it too. When I met you, 1,000 lives I still believe and make you give them all to me. I hold you in my arms and never let go. I surrender.
Ganun din. High to low din.
Ang hirap
Ayun.
yun.
Eto na talaga mga Dabarkad. Showdown na to. Si
Ayan.
AJL and Rami.
Pero bago kayo mag-showdown, kasi dito yung mga nakaraan, parang ang bait-bati-bati sila.
Nag-ayos muna.
May message ba kayo sa isa bago kayo magsimula? May gusto ka ba sabihin sa kanya? Ganon. Galit mo, nararamdaman
Hawakan mo na lang yung tenga, ganun.
Sige, ano gusto mo sabihin?
Good luck, good luck.
Good luck. Ikaw, may gusto ka ba sabihin?
Good luck din po.
Wala naman pala, natin na kayo nag-usap.
Ito na, Can't Help Falling in Love by Elvis.
Wise men say only fools rush in, but I can't help falling in love with you. Shall I stay? Would it be a sin? For I can't help falling in love with you. Like a river flows surely to the sea, darling, so it goes. Some things are meant to be. Take my hand, take my whole life too. But I can't help falling in love with you. But I can't help falling in love with you.
Mabuhay ang bagong kasal!
Uy!
Uy,
Teka, sandali.
naglalaban yan.
Ah, sorry.
Oh, eto na. Alamin na natin kung sino ang panalong The Clone for today. The Clones, Cowboys of the Stars semifinals. Winners for today. We have a tie. Adrian Lim Baroga and Ramin Miraflor Jr.
Mabuhay ang bagong kasal. Op! Sarado na mga kaibigan ng kasalan. Sarado na rin ang clones. Kaya salamat sa mga singers natin.